So this will be a walkthrough around the claims comparison tool within the patent view. So within the patent that we're choosing for today is going to be related to transmit point muting for energy efficiency in vRAN that is owned by Huawei. So this is a standard essential patent as indicated, of course, by the sign at the top over here. Now, within the comparison that I've mentioned, on the left-hand side is the claims section that we can access. And then on the top right-hand corner of that claims, you can see that there is this compare functionality. Essentially what this is doing is it's providing for you, and by default, the application of this US granted document we have in order to compare it on a word-for-word comparison. If I click into it, I can actually see every single family member that is in various jurisdictions from China to Germany to Europe and of course the WIPO. When I wish to compare this, so let's take the European granted patent as an example, I simply click into that European granted patent, click on the compare feature itself, then I'll see from here the key differences would be in red, this is what was in the European granted document, and in green, this is what is in the US document specifically. So this is looking at the key differences between what is in the European version as well as the US version, how these were drafted, and how different is the claims language in the different jurisdictions. As we can see here, the full document gives a full description of all of this information.